Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding items from your purchase history on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To hide your purchase history, start by opening the App Store. In the App Store, tap on your profile icon from the top right of the screen. On your profile page, select Purchased. This shows a list of all downloaded and purchased apps on your iPhone. To hide one from the list, simply swipe it from the right inwards and then tap the hide icon that appears. That will hide the app from your purchase history. If I go out and in and out of my App Store profile to check, you can see that the Pages app is hidden. You can hide all of your purchase history if you want. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.